This is how you convert MP4 file to the MP3 completely for free, and you don't need to sign up. So go to this website and choose your file. This is my file. Now choose the output, which is the MP3 in our case, and it may take a couple of seconds or minute depending on your file size, and it's done. And tap on download, and here it is. This is how you convert MP4 file to the MP3 completely for free without sign up, without any paid plan or whatsoever. This tool has lots of free stuff. You can